Electric cranes are used for lifting and separating large and heavy scrap iron and steel from other metals for recycling. How does an electric crane work? When the electric current is switched on, the giant piece of iron attracts pieces of iron and steel scrap metals. In this unit, you are going to learn about Rosie is visiting her friend in Putrajaya. She finds nobody at the door. She presses the doorbell. How does the electric doorbell work? Click on the switch and observe what happens. The paper clips are attracted to the iron nail. Now, click on the switch again to break the circuit. Observe what happens. The paper clips drop from the iron nail. When current flows through the conductor, the iron nail becomes magnetized. When there is no current, the iron nail stops being magnetic. Look at the electric circuit given. Click on the switch. Observe what happens. The iron filings form concentric circles around the straight copper wire. When electric current flows through a straight conductor, the conductor becomes magnetized. The concentric circles show a magnetic field of a straight wire carrying current. Now, let's look at how an electric doorbell works. When the switch is pressed, the circuit is completed and electric current flows through the circuit. The electromagnet in the bell attracts the armature, causing the hammer to hit the bell. Sound is heard. At the same time, the circuit is broken. The electric current ceases to flow and the electromagnet loses its magnetism. The armature is pulled back and the sound ceases. Let's do an activity that shows electromagnetism. Cut a strip of foil 45 centimeters by 1 centimeter and place it on the table. Put a horseshoe magnet across the strip as shown. Attach 2 wires to a battery and fix the end of one wire to one end of the strip. Now, touch the end of the other wire to the other end of the strip. Observe what happens. Click Check Answer to see whether what you observed happened like this. The magnetic field pattern formed on a straight current carrying conductor is square. Click True or False. That is correct. The statement is false. The magnetic field pattern formed on a straight current-carrying conductor is concentric circles. An iron bar placed in a coil of wire carrying current will be magnetized. Click True or False. That is correct. An iron bar placed in a coil of wire carrying current will be magnetized. Electromagnet is a permanent magnet. Click True or False. That is correct. The statement is false. Electromagnet is not a permanent magnet. When electric current flows through a straight conductor, the conductor becomes magnetized. The magnetic field lines form concentric circles around it. Electromagnet is a conductor which becomes magnetized when electric current flows through it. It is a temporary magnet. Look at the circuit shown. What will happen to the iron nail when the current is switched on? Click on the correct answer. That is not correct. Try again. That is correct. When the current is switched on, the iron nail attracts the iron strip. What are the devices that use electromagnets? Click on the correct answer. That is correct. Powered windows, automatic doors, CD players, and microphones are some of the devices that use electromagnets to function. Which of the following is the correct magnetic field pattern formed by a straight wire carrying electric current? Click on the... That is correct. Magnetic field pattern formed by a straight wire carrying electric current is concentric circles. Which of the following is true about magnetic field lines produced by a straight conductor carrying electric current? Click on the correct answer. That is correct. The magnetic field lines do not cross each other. A circuit is connected as shown. The switch is closed. Bar X is brought near to the iron bar. It is found that the iron bar and bar X repelled each other. What is bar X? Click on the correct answer. That is correct. When electric current flows through the conductor, the iron bar becomes magnetized. It repels the magnet with the same pole. Click on one of the questions to see the answer. How is current carrying conductor related to magnetism? When electric current flows through a straight conductor, the conductor becomes magnetized. The magnetic field lines form concentric circles around it. What is an electromagnet? Electromagnet is a conductor which becomes magnetized when electric current flows through it. It is a temporary magnet. A magnetic sweeper is used to clean off iron and steel scrap from the workshop floor. Based on the figure below, build a battery-operated magnetic sweeper. What are the factors that you must consider to make the sweeper become more powerful? MRI, or magnetic resonance imaging, is the latest invention in the medical field. It is used to scan the body. How does it work? What are advantages of using MRI? Research and discuss.